cloud is now a reality for many organizations. While there are thousands of providers all over the world to help you transition to the public cloud and build applications that work in the cloud, what you may not know is that most public cloud providers don't provide a fully managed service. Consider this example. A large financial firm wanted to grow their business by creating machine learning capabilities alongside their banking technology. They decided to work with a startup to help build the platform. They knew they wanted a machine learning stack plus a finance stack, and the platform had to be safe, consistent, auditable, and upgradable. As they began working to build a cloud-native stack, the first thing they discovered was booting Kubernetes was easy, but managing an application platform was hard. Then, the bank discovered the company they chose to help write their application may not be equipped to manage the platform. They ended up creating an augmented platform that not only took a lot of time, money, and resources to build, it was also complicated to maintain. Due to a reliance on customizations that only their dev teams knew how to fix, inconsistent cloud-native environments across business units, and being locked in with a startup that had limited resources and an unknown future. What this institution didn't know is that Red Hat OpenShift offers almost everything they needed right out of the box, and they didn't have to hire costly experts to build the cloud-native platform they were looking for. With Red Hat OpenShift, you get automated full-stack installation from the container host to application services, seamless Kubernetes deployment to any cloud or on-premise environment, auto-scaling of cloud resources, one-click updates for the platform, services, and applications, built-in security and regulatory compliance, and more. Red Hat OpenShift offers a broad set of applications from OSS ecosystem frameworks to middleware to AI and ML frameworks and IBM Cloud Paks, and it runs on most major public clouds, private clouds, and bare metal servers. If your organization is considering the public cloud, Red Hat OpenShift offers the consistent foundation you need, along with the tools to succeed on a range of certified public cloud platforms. And Red Hat offers 3-year lifecycle service and upgrades, so you won't be left unsupported. Whether you operate across a single or multiple cloud environments, Red Hat can help you get the most out of your investments today and safely plan for tomorrow. Learn more. Contact us today.